I think the biggest misconception is that you can't get a mortgage if you're an international buyer. I think that's the first thing that most people assume. Obviously, it's not true. That's why we're in business. A lot of inquiries I get, especially in Hong Kong and Singapore, is asking, can I get a mortgage based on just my the value of my assets rather than my income? And the answer is yes. That's still possible with some like high value lending with private banks. But for your typical sort of average case, you're going to need some kind of income for a mortgage approval. They can't lend based on the value of properties you have in Hong Kong, for example. That is another big misconception, that self-employed or business owners can't get a mortgage. And yeah, I would say yes, there's less lenders available compared to if you are employed, but there's definitely solutions out there, and we work with business owners a lot. What is useful to note, or maybe that's another misconception, is that business owners may think that they can only borrow based on the money that they take out of the business as income. But actually, especially on sort of higher value cases, banks can take a sort of overall view of your business and understand, okay, how much turnover is the company making? How much profit have I kept in the company and not taken as income? And things can be looked at in a more practical way if you're using a specialist lender, rather than just saying, okay, how much money did you take out as a salary?